Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will learn about factors and common factors. What are factors? If a number is x, a factor of x is a number that divides x exactly with no remainders. Let us find the factors of a number by forming arrays using cubes. After we find the factors of a number, we can find the common factors of two numbers. When two numbers have the same factors, these factors are common factors of the two numbers. Let's find the factors of 1. We start with 1 cube. How many arrays can we form using 1 cube? There is only one way to arrange 1 cube. In this array, there is 1 row and 1 column. So, 1 is the only factor of the number 1. Now, let's use 2 cubes to find the factors of 2. In this array, there is 1 row and 2 columns. So, 1 and 2 are factors of 2. We can also arrange 2 cubes in another way. Here, there are 2 rows and 1 column. There is no other arrays we can form with 2 cubes. This means that the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Now, let's use 3 cubes to find the factors of 3. Using this array, what are the factors of 3? Pause and discuss with your friends. In this array, there is 1 row and 3 columns. So, 1 and 3 are factors of 3. We can also arrange 3 cubes in this way. Here, there are 3 rows and 1 column. There are no other arrays we can form with 3 cubes. This means that the only factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Now, let us find the factors of 9. In this array, there is 1 row and 9 columns. So, 1 and 9 are factors of 9. We can also arrange 9 cubes to form another array. Using this array, what is another factor of 9? Pause and discuss with your friends. In this array, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So, 3 is also a factor of 9. There is no other arrays we can form with 9 cubes. This means that the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Can you remember the factors of 3? The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So, the common factors of 3 and 9 are 1 and 3. Finally, let's find the factors of another number, 12. In this array, there is 1 row and 12 columns. So, 1 and 12 are factors of 12. We can also arrange 12 cubes to form another array. In this array, what are other factors of 12? Pause and discuss with your friends. In this array, there are 2 rows and 6 columns. So, 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. Now, there is one more array we can form with 12 cubes. In this array, what are other factors of 12? Pause and discuss with your friends. In this array, there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So, 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. What are the common factors of 9 and 12? The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, the common factors of 9 and 12 are 1 and 3. Today, we have learned how to find the factors of a number by forming arrays, and how to find the common factors of 2 numbers. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.